If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hello everybody, and welcome for another review. And this review is not about a fountain pen, so get that out of your head. It's going to be about a ballpoint pen, but a pretty interesting ballpoint pen, may I say that. So the name of the pen is going to be
Bastion.
And there's the little emblem, and here's how it comes when you ordered your pen. And on the back it just says Bastion's bolt action pen, aluminum, silver, and new. No, it doesn't give any of your tip sizes. It's a ballpoint pen, okay? So, let me open this up and we're going to get to it. It's not complicated, not rocket science. It's just a pretty darn good bolt action pen. That can be a lot of fun for those who gets into ballpoint pens. So here's the box, cardboard box, and we're going to open up the box. I think we're going to open up the box. Well, there you go. And here it is. Comes in a nice, secured foam that holds it in place, and the little micropack enhanced PE sheet. Okay, and there's really nothing else in here, so that's that. So let's talk about the pen. Excuse me. Bolt action. Get a good shot of that.
Yes.
Nice sturdy clip. And this clip is a tight one now. And here's the bolt action right here, going down and over, and bam, it's out. And I'm going to take that little tip protector off here on top, because we're going to be writing with it soon. And we don't want to get in the way. All right. Come on. Oh, got it. Now, there we go. Look at that. Really nice. Ballpoint, very nice. So, retractable, very easy. Look at that. Comes right on out with no problem, no effort. And again, bam, goes right back in where it came from. Now, Mr. Announcer, what do you see there engraved?
It says Bastion.
Very good. They did a really nice job on that. And on the top of the pen, it's like, what would you say, a dome type thing? There's not a lot going on, but the clip itself has these, looks like bolts, rivets that keep it in place. But this is not going anywhere. I'm sure once you get it on your shirt or wherever, it's not going to go nowhere. But hopefully it'll loosen up, because it may be a little bit tight. But we're going to try something after a while. Let's talk more about the pen. Good looking pen, isn't it? It really is. I like the finish on this pen. Really nice. Stainless steel pen made of 100% genuine stainless steel. Made in the good USA. And it provides a really nice, comfortable grip with the precision CNC, it says, machine barrel grip. And we'll get into the weight in a minute. So the length of the pen, from here to here, or here to here, the way you want to look at it, it's going to be 5.25 inches. So after reading what they have on the website, the weight is 2.8 ounces, and the length of the pen is 4.36 inches. It's a retractable bolt action, which I think is really, really cool. This is a neat looking ballpoint pen, I gotta say that. It got some class, buddy. If you want a good looking ballpoint pen, come to the right place. They got it. If you're tired of boring looking ballpoint pens, if you want a ballpoint pen that does more than just write, you need to check this baby out. Stainless steel, and the point type is fine with black ink. Now, I just said earlier that the tip is not, they don't come in different sizes, but evidently they do. This one is a fine, and I know like there's some other pens like Bic, they have a broad and a medium, so I stand corrected on myself. So this one does as well, I take it. All right. Again, satisfying to the touch, to the look. And somebody can say, hey dude, you got a sexy pen, or hey girl, sexy dynamite. And it is. Once you get this in your hand, you're going to see for yourself, dynamite pen. The workmanship on this pen, you got to give them a A triple plus. They kicked it on this. Again, it's made, designed proudly in the good old USA. And like they said, reliable, yes. Luxurious, yes. Premium, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Writing instruments that will not only make the act of writing more enjoyable, but you're going to feel that luxurious pen in your hand when you handle it. Now that's a load. And it does say here about customer first. We offer a 30-day, 100% money back guaranteed on all purchases. Can't beat that with the stick. The pen that performs bolt action, like I just showed you. Combine the highest quality materials, modern design with fine, now this is a secret of this pen, fine-tuned craftsmanship. To create a writing instrument that is luxurious as it is practical. You're going to have two, I think. A pen's going to have to be practical to meet your needs, to meet anyone's needs, and a bit of luxurious looking, handsome debonair pen to go with it. And the ballpoint pen is made of 100% genuine stainless steel. Bolt action mechanism provides a secure lock, like I showed you here. Bang. I like that bolt action. With a secure lock with hard wearing parts. So it's going to be a solid, satisfying to the hand, fine craftsmanship, clean. And the bolt action is going to really be a lot of fun, different. And let's just play with the up and down with it. Here we go. Ready? Pushing it down, I'm going to bring that up. Here we go. Bam. Bam. Close it up. Bam. And as you go down this barrel, right here is where the grip section is going to come off. You can barely see that little line here where the grip section is. So you have a nice grip section right there. Is it slippery? Well, not to me, Mr. Announcer. What do you think? Is it slippery?
Let's see.
Tell them what you think.
No, it's not as slippery as I thought it would be. I actually feel a little bit of texture, so this would be great.
Yeah, it's that texture I think that's going to keep your grip secure. But I haven't dealt, be honest with you, with any bolt action pens or with this brand before. I've dealt with ballpoint pens, yes, but this one is a good looking one. Feels good. All right. And this pen actually was born around 2017. And of course, they spent decades in doing the research, make sure they got it right, because they want their customers to be completely satisfied. And I can see that their name's on here, so. And it's finally came to be as the Bastion executive bolt action pen. Ta-da! They say it's a perfect marriage of fine art, cutting-edge engineering that is is a trip. Okay, they make also pen collections besides ballpoint pens, but whatever it is, it's going to be the perfect marriage of fine art, cutting-edge engineering that is, Mr. Announcer, the
Typical Bastion craftsmanship.
dun 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 dun, sock it to 'em, baby. You're looking for the real deal. You're looking for a real pen. Are you tired of those other ballpoint pens that are just not cutting the mustard? Check it out. Now, questions are being asked, can I return my pen if I don't like it? And they say, absolutely. If for whatever reason you're not happy with your purchase, we accept your return. It's a win-win. You're not losing anything. And their pens come in all stainless steel and stainless steel and carbon fibers, titanium and aluminum. And for replacements for cartridges, you can go to their website. And we're going to talk about that in a little more in a minute too. But again, really, the finish feels great to your hands. And they're saying that they prefer the Snyder of Space Pen's ink cartridges to the generic cartridge it came with. And this was by a customer that left the comments about the pen. And that's what he was saying, that about the refills. So I guess he's into the space ink cartridge. That's a generic cartridge that it comes with. But that said, he still says quality. And that's the bottom line. Now this pen, you can use it as a defender. If you have to protect yourself, somebody like nowadays, you need this, right? Right. So, bam, bam, protect yourself. Even if you're in a wheelchair, handicap, as long as you can hold this pen, it's some sort of protection, bam. And that's cool. Break out some glass if you have to, maybe of a car window. Refills on this pen. You can check out, well, it uses a Parker, if I'm right, and we'll open it up. But you can also use a gel or a rollerball. I prefer a gel for myself. So let's go ahead and we're going to go down here and we're going to open her up. Here we go. There you go. Here we go. Don't lose the spring. And that's secure. Spring. Okay. And we're going to take this little baby out. Now, it doesn't say anywhere what I'm looking for. But if you look at the ends of the cartridge, I believe Parker does have the same kind of fittings, but it will use a gel or rollerball. Now, they do have the black ones as well. They come in black, beautiful looking black. No, I didn't get one of those. I just wanted to, there you go. Talk a little bit about this pen. Maybe if they're satisfied, they'll send me other different models so I can show you, the customer, more about these pens. Now, how can I show you, don't do anything yet, how this goes here? And put it on a shirt there. Now that went on pretty easy. See, right here, on really easy. You're going to have a tight clip. That's a guarantee. You don't think so? Don't freak out when you get one. Oh, the clip's too tight. But look, it went on just fine. Bam. Not a problem. Good looking fountain pen. I really am impressed. And I mean a ballpoint pen, not a fountain pen. So let's compare it to the Conklin as far as length. The Conklin's a little bit longer. And if you uncap it, they're about almost the same size. And the ballpoint's not as girthy as the fountain pen, but still, it's got enough girth that's going to fit in your hand. And we're going to go with the Delta, about the same length, way more girth in the Delta. A lot more going on with the Delta fountain pen than with the ballpoint, but then the price is a lot going on as well. So we'll take this off. Give you an idea. Almost the same length, but really girthy, which I like girthy pens. Last but not least, you get the idea. Platinum 3776. Almost the same size and length. And uncapped, it's going to be yep, not even as close as the other previous pens were, but it's probably down by what, a half inch?
Easily, yes.
Just to give you an idea, okay? I'm trying to give you something that will register with you to give you a working idea about this pen. So, you know, mechanical pencil, I know I'm going to get asked that, but I've never dealt with this company before. It's the first time. I don't have any idea yet about their mechanical pencils, what size lead it uses, etc. And the titanium or the ones that are black, really nice one. And they have some colored ones, blue and red and different colors and minis. And I mean, go to the website. And all you have to do is put in this name right there. It'll take you to the website, click on a pen you're interested in, get the information that you need, and then either order or give them a buzz and ask them questions if you need further information. You know, I hope this was ample enough information for you to get started on this journey. It is really a cool looking, fun pen. It's got class, man. It's got style. All right here. It really is interesting. So here you have it. Mr. Announcer, this is the
Bastion.
Bolt Action ballpoint pen. And I really hope that I kind of gave you enough correct information about this ballpoint pen. Is it the best ballpoint pen on the market? You know, I don't know. I've just tried this one, to be honest with you. Is it worth the money? Again, that's up to entirely you, the customer. What I'm holding and seeing here is, yeah, I think so. I think you're not going to go wrong with the brand made in the USA. And they make these pens with love and perfection because their name's on it, which represents the maker. And they're not going to put any kind of ballpoint pen in your hands that's going to discredit them and make them look bad. They care about what they make, what they sell. They care about the customer. How do I know that? Well, you're going to find out when you order a pen. Okay, we're going to finish it up with the writing sample. Here we go. I got to give you that. That's a nice writer. The pen just sails across the paper.
I don't even hear it.
You know, if you're an artist, teacher, professional, student, construction worker, whatever you do for a living, this is going to fit right in with you, and you're going to be glad you did. I know nowadays they don't use a lot of ballpoint pens or fountain pens because it's all about the computer now. But there are times that you're able to write and jot down notes, and you'll need some sort of writing instrument. You never know. That's pretty cool. And this is with pressure down, no pressure. Pressure, no pressure. Huh. Okay. Very, very interesting. That's it. Thanks, folks. Enjoy.